Hey guys, whether GST can be charged on each and every income which is mentioned in the profit and loss account. So this is a very important question under GST, and we all know this particular type of fact. So for our discussion, I am coming with one new case study on this particular matter, and the decision is pronounced by Honorable Madras High Court in case of Messrs. Ralco Synergy Pvt Limited versus Joint Commissioner of State Tax. In this specific situation, the Joint Commissioner has passed the order or issued the notice regarding the taxability of certain items which is mentioned in the profit and loss account. And that particular Joint Commissioner had not checked that these particular terms are considered for taxability. What will be the implication of time of supply? What will be the implication of value of supply? What is the HSN code and SSC code will be applicable in this specific scenario? So this is a very important case study. I am just going to give you one example, and through that example, I just want to explain this particular scenario. Suppose there is one profit and loss account, and in that profit and loss account, taxpayer has shown one income related to interest. Okay, and that interest is not in nature of trade. That interest is only on account of the unsecured loan. That means the taxpayer has received that interest on account of the unsecured loan provided to others. While doing that audit, departmental authority has raised one question that, sir, on this particular type of interest, GST should be applicable. So the taxpayer has argued that, sir, why GST will be applicable on this particular interest? Because this is not due to trade. This is merely a interest merely in term of money, and money is not considered as a supply of goods or services and not covered under the definition of goods or services. Hence, no GST should be applicable. But departmental authority has not taken into consideration this particular type of thing, and they charge the GST because this is a income. So this is a correct or not? I have just shared with you the example related to interest. There may be certain type of incomes on which GST should not be applicable, but in this specific scenario, the tax authority has charged the GST and raised the demand without considering the taxability, without considering the place of supply, without considering the value of supply. So this is a very important judgment. While handling any litigation or while handling the GST audit, we need to be very much careful. If departmental authority will ask anything about the taxability of a particular term or income which is mentioned under GST, we first need to ask that, sir, can you please explain the taxability reason? Can you please explain what will be the value of supply in this specific scenario? What will be the place of supply? What will be the time of supply? Because without deciding these particular type of parameters, one cannot impose the GST on a particular transaction. So we need to be very much careful regarding these particular type of decisions. And also one important thing, whenever you will ask these type of things from the departmental authority, or whenever you are going to intimate these things to the departmental authority, just keep one important thing in your mind. We need to provide all these type of things to the departmental authority in written only, and we'll take the acknowledgement as well, because this is our right. We need to take it. Okay, so in this specific judgment, Honorable Madras High Court has also pronounced the same decision, that the tax authority has not considered or not used their mind for deciding the taxability, for deciding the time of supply, for deciding the value of supply, for deciding the place of supply. So in this scenario, on each and every item of the profit and loss account, no GST will be applicable. GST will be applicable only after deciding all these type of parameters. So for your reference, I am just going to go through with the decision as well. So in this case, the departmental authority has raised the demanded just on the basis of figure mentioned in the profit and loss account. So you cannot raise the demand merely on the ground that these figures are mentioned in the profit and loss account. You have to specify the nature of supply, the taxability, the HSN code, the time of supply, the place of supply. This is the legal issue which is involved, or which were involved in this specific scenario. Also, Honorable Madras High Court has used the line that the decision is passed without proper application of mind. So this is also a very important fact, and we need to keep in our mind. And on account of this particular demand, On account of this grant, this particular ground, the Honorable Madras High Court has announced that this demand should be waived off. So this is a very important judgment. This is a very important case study. Whenever we'll also handle any case, we also need to decide the taxability on the basis of the time of supply, value of supply, place of supply. These are the three very important parameters under GST. So to know these type of facts, like, share and subscribe this channel. Also, the PDF file of this case study is attached in the description box. You just need to click on that particular link. You will directly move to the website for downloading the PDF file. Thank you.